your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court is calling 2023 CR 7562, State of Texas versus Jeremy Ray Garcia. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Adam Coons for Mr. Garcia.
And are you Mr. Garcia?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Garcia, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And
Yes.
did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Going to show you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, ma'am, we are, Judge.
We're on the record. All right. We are on the record. Counsel, I'm sorry, Mr. Garcia, showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
All right. Did you understand you're charged with theft of a firearm? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application of deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do believe.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes and yes.
Mr. Garcia, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
According to the plea, state recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 712-934, 716-716. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation and no harmful or injurious contact with Alicia Gonzalez. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Your Honor, I offer State's Exhibit 1 and the attachments. We reviewed them and have no objections, Your Honor.
All right. And with regards to the no harmful or injurious contact with Alicia Gonzalez, she's aware of what's happening and that is what she's requesting?
Well, ma'am, another prosecutor's spoken to her, and based on the notes in JD, it seems to be what she is requesting, Judge.
All right, thank you. You may be excused to continue to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Garcia, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge, please.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, obviously, we're requesting you file this plea bargain. He made a terrible mistake a couple of years ago when he needed some money. He was in a downtime in his life. He has several small children. And he's very apologetic and is very grateful for this opportunity. I've explained to him how important it is to successfully do everything on probation, and that if he does well, that there's a potential that his probation could be terminated early. He understands that. He is looking forward to getting back with his family. He has been in custody this current time for about 2 months already. So he's looking forward to getting back and going back to work and trying to help support them.
All right. Is there anything you want to say?
Just that I am grateful for this opportunity. I just really miss my kids, so
Well, it's your fault.
yes, ma'am.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. 4 years deferred adjudication, no harmful or injurious contact with Alicia Gonzalez. Take in consideration County Court Cause number 712-934, 716-716. Are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
Doing what?
We put in office supplies for call centers.
Okay. So nothing like before.
You're not going to gun shops or anything like that, are you?
Oh no, I was installing security cameras at the time.
So I'm assuming nobody's using you to install security cameras anymore.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Unfortunately.
Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs. Field visits. 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, if there are no issues, then you can discontinue field visits or as you deem them to be. There should be 80 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once you completed the parenting classes, then your community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from me?
No, ma'am.
Nobody requested a theft course, so I'm going to give you your theft course. Don't take what doesn't belong to you. If you're taking something, you need to pay for it. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right, we can go off the record from here on out. You need to be trying to make your children proud of you. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
The courtroom is silent as Jeremy Ray Garcia stands before Judge Stephanie Boyd, facing a state jail felony for theft of a firearm. Through a plea bargain, he applies for deferred adjudication, a chance to avoid a formal conviction if he successfully completes probation. The procedural groundwork is laid. Garcia affirms he understands the charges, the rights he is waiving, and the potential 2-year sentence he could face if he fails. The tension builds as the state presents its evidence through written reports with no live testimony. After reviewing the file, Judge Boyd finds sufficient evidence for guilt, but defers the finding, moving straight to sentencing. Garcia's attorney pleads for leniency, citing a past mistake during a difficult time and highlighting Garcia's remorse and his desire to return to his small children. Garcia himself echoes this, his voice filled with emotion, stating, "I am grateful for this opportunity. I just really miss my kids." Judge Boyd's response is immediate and blunt. "Well, it's your fault." With that, Judge Boyd destroys any notion of an easy path forward. She grants the 4-year deferred adjudication, but layers it with severe invasive conditions designed for maximum accountability and surveillance. She orders GPS monitoring, proof of employment within 30 days, a ban on working as a home health provider with minors, regular reporting, random urinalysis, and monthly home visits. She mandates 80 hours of community service, restitution, parenting classes, and a pointed deft course, dictating don't take what doesn't belong to you. Every condition is a calculated blow, transforming his probation into a rigid framework of control. The final moment is both a warning and a challenge. As she finalizes the paperwork, Judge Boyd tells Garcia he does not have permission to appeal and leaves him with a weighty mandate. You need to be trying to make your children proud of you. It's a sentence that extends far beyond the courtroom, blending punishment with a demand for personal redemption under her unwavering watch.
Court is calling 2020 CR 0298, State of Texas versus Jesse Solis. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Left done for the state.
That is for the defense.
And are you Jesse Solis? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Jesse Solis Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 0298 for the offense of assault family second offense on August 24th, 2021 for a period of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. On or about the 3rd day of September 2021 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jesse Solis Jr. did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State?
Your Honor, the state would move to deny the MTR and modify.
Are you waiving the other allegations?
Your Honor, I appreciate it. Yes, we are waiving and abandoning the other conditions.
Any objections to the waivers?
No objection, Judge.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, there is a proposed agreement for SADF.
Probation? Is that your recommendation? Because I have 2 questions. 1, is that your recommendation? And 2, has he done anything on probation?
Your Honor, the original recommendation was for Bexar County ISF followed by ISP. However, speaking with defense counsel, she indicates that Mr. Solis may have a drug problem. Kind of looked over that, then we said SADF. My other thought was revocation. His last office visit with probation was February 18th of 2022. Your Honor, he has not completed anything on his probation. He did initially signed up for the Veterans Intervention Prevention Program, but we don't have anything on file that he actually completed it. And then he has not completed any of the other terms.
All right, has your client done anything on probation?
No, I don't believe he has, Your Honor, but I did have my visit with him. He informed me and I spoke to his mother as well. He had a stroke in 2008. And so he's got some memory problems that are nowhere in the court's records. He's had some auto accidents in 2011 and 2012 where he's got hit by a car. And the mom did confirm the memory problems. So I did have my visit with him, he knows he's on probation. He knows he was on probation. He absconded. I obviously asked him why, and he let me know that, that he does have a drug problem and he does want help. And he's asking the court to, he's not a convicted felon, judge. That's why he's on deferred. So this is his first MTR. He's never been on felony probation before. He's got some misdemeanors, but he's asking the court to allow him to get some help. He's 39 years old.
All right. Mr. Solis, the court's problem is that you have not done anything. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty. Revoke. Does anybody wish to speak to the time?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
All right, defense, do you want to speak to the time? The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison.
That's correct, Judge. So in light of the fact that Mr. Solis is not going to be, given an opportunity to continue in his probation, I would ask that the court give him the minimum sentence.
All right. Court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court will find you guilty, grant the motion, sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Ana Solis and Gloria Torres. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. If you would like the therapeutic community, I can request that, but you'll need to request it as well. So if there's a drug or alcohol problem, they will address those issues with you. Would you like that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This was not a plea bargain agreement. You do have a right to appeal. That right to appeal is limited though to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Oh, and I'm sorry, one other thing, because this is a felony conviction and affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you, sir.